Today we got a 2002 4L60 valve body. It's out of a junkyard unit for an LS swap. The unit overall wasn't too bad. The valve body I'm up to, which is the last part, wasn't too bad so far. Some end plug issues, reverse and forward abuse valve issues. Main issue is going to be the AFL valve. I want to show you how I test it and then how I ream it out and putting the new valve in and retesting. This valve body has been taken completely apart, cleaned, bores have been polished, valves have been also polished, and now I'm getting ready to vacuum test it. I've already done it, but I'll show you so I get it on camera, and it is low. It's only pulling about 13.5 to 14. We need that to be 17 or higher. So I'm gonna go ahead now and remount the valve body. I'll show you that next. Okay, now I got everything lubed up. You gotta insert your little sleeve here. It's like a tool guide. And make sure that this is completely bottomed out. You don't want that being out at all. It needs to be completely bottomed out. I've already lubed up the channel, and I'm gonna start out real slow, get it to where it stops, then back out a little, and then I just kind of slowly go in. Don't really put much pressure. Try not to go too fast. And I'm just watching until it enters that bore. I'm gonna hit it with some more lube. I'm not really applying any pressure. It's just all being done by the cutting bit. And when stuck on the next land, get some more juice in there. Make sure and hold your guide. Don't pull it out and get some of the shavings off of it. Back to where I can feel it just gently stop and start to drill again. And it's made its cut all the way through. Get some more lube on here. Make sure I'm holding my pin in. Metal out of it. Let me clean it, I'll be back. Alright, I got it all cleaned out, got the metal chips and everything cleaned out, and I do like to go in and I'll polish it. With some brake clean. It out again, and I like to use the Transgo valve. I am using the Transgo reamer as well. I just prefer this valve. Drop the new oversized AFL valve in. You use their new inner spring, your original outer spring, the end plug. I'll have to rotate it so I can see what I'm doing here. Put the end plug back in, and then the clip. Now let's go test it. Okay, now we're back over here to retest to see how our repair went with the Transgo oversized AFL valve. We've reamed it out, we've cleaned it, we've installed the valve, the extra spring, and let's check. Now we're instantly shooting right over 25, 26, 27, we're at 28. Prior, we were only holding 13.5 to 14. I would call this a good repair.